Okay, let's unpack this. Elephants. We all see them as these, well, massive intelligent animals. Today, we're going to dive deep into what makes them just so remarkable using the latest research.
Exactly. And this deep dive, it's really a shortcut for you, letting you grasp their true marvels. We'll cover some surprising facts, things maybe you haven't heard, about these gentle giants and why they're so vital, really irreplaceable for our planet.
Right. So let's start with that famous saying, an elephant never forgets. How true is that, really? Is it just a catchy phrase, or does the science back it up?
Oh, it's absolutely grounded in reality. The research confirms it. Elephants have one of the largest, most complex brains out there in the animal kingdom. And this memory isn't just for show. It's, well, critical for survival. Well, think about matriarchs. They lead their herds, sometimes to water sources they haven't seen for decades. Imagine surviving a drought because your leader remembers a spot from, say, 20 years ago. Plus, they recognize other elephants, even people, years later. That points to some really sophisticated social.
But that memory, it's just one part of their sensory world, isn't it? You mentioned survival. How about sniffing out water from miles away? How on earth do they do that?
Yeah, that's another amazing thing. Their sense of smell is just incredibly powerful. They can detect water from, get this, up to 12 miles away.
12 miles?
Seriously. Their trunks, you see, are packed with scent receptors, over 2,000 of them.
2,000?
Way more than most mammals, including us. It makes them basically nature's best water detectors, a living, walking drought survival tool.
Fascinating. Okay, so amazing memory, incredible sense of smell. What about this idea that they listen through their feet? That sounds almost sci-fi.
It does sound wild, but it's true. They have this unique ability to sense vibrations. Through special receptors in their feet, they pick up seismic signals traveling through the ground.
Seismic signals, like earthquakes.
Sort of, yeah. But also things like distant footsteps, other elephants rumbling maybe miles away, or even approaching storms. Their feet essentially help them hear the earth. It's like an early warning system for things happening far off.
How does all this advanced sensing and cognition play out in their emotional lives? I've heard they mourn their dead.
They do, and it's quite profound. They show what looks very much like genuine grief. They'll stay near a deceased member of the herd, touch the body gently with their trunks. And what's really remarkable, they've been seen going back to the place where another elephant died, even years later.
Years later, that's quite something.
It is. It's very rare behavior in the animal kingdom, and it ties into their intelligence. Elephants are also one of the few species that can recognize themselves in a mirror.
The mirror test. That's a big indicator of self-awareness, right?
Exactly.
So intelligent, emotional, and I understand they're also vital for their ecosystems, like natural gardeners.
Yes, that's a great way to put it. If we connect this to the bigger picture, their role is absolutely critical. They eat hundreds of pounds of plants every day.
Hundreds of pounds?
Oh, yeah. And as they move around, traveling miles, they spread seeds through their dung. This directly helps forests regenerate, helps maintain biodiversity. Think of them as giant pseudo-dispersers.
So without them?
Well, many ecosystems would genuinely struggle. Forests, grasslands. They depend on elephants. Their contribution is vital for the health of those environments.
We've really touched on some incredible aspects today. Their memory, those amazing senses, the deep emotions, self-awareness, and then this crucial role as ecological architects. They really are living proof of nature's complexity and ingenuity.
Absolutely. And this raises an important question, maybe something for you listening to think about. Knowing all this now, their intelligence, their sensitivity, their importance, how might that shift your own view? Your perspective on how connected life really is, and maybe on the hidden wonders all around us, just beneath the surface of what we usually perceive.